Book Reading Tracker is an Android application designed to help users manage and enhance their reading experience. This app serves as a personal organizer for book lovers, allowing them to track the books they have read, are currently reading, and plan to read in the future. Typically, the app features functionalities like creating a digital bookshelf, where users can catalog books with details such as titles, authors, genres, and personal ratings. It often allows users to set reading goals, track their progress, and receive reminders to stay on schedule. In addition to tracking, the app might include a social aspect, enabling users to share their reading lists, discover new books through recommendations, and connect with like-minded readers. Some versions may offer insights into reading habits, statistics, and reviews that enhance the overall reading journey. Overall, Book Reading Tracker is a valuable tool for avid readers looking to organize their reading habits, discover new literature, and cultivate a deeper appreciation for books.